Yay! I've been losing my voice on and off all day for some reason. I guess it's because the heat has been so high in my office, and so it's just dried me out completely. So I really don't want to talk too much tonight for my new vlog episode. So I have some drawing that I have to get done. I'm gonna do I'm gonna record me drawing something. Without further ado, let us begin! It's an angel. I mean, that was my intention anyway. Are you an artist? Please share your things with me. I would love to see them. And if you're not an artist, that's okay. I hear a lot of times people tell me that the only thing they can draw is a stick figure. I started off drawing stick figures too. You can always learn. I promise. You can learn. You can do it. At least something better than a stick. than a stick figure. So here's hoping I feel better tomorrow, guys. Alright, see ya. Talk to you later. Bye.